Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving ISI MTech CS paper PCA 2025 solutions. So here we are being given with the questions. If the matrix A is given by this and having 1 as an eigenvalue, then determinant A will be equals to what? Now we are being told that 1 is an eigenvalue and asked to find out. So here the fact we will use first for solving is product of eigenvalue is determinant of A. So here we are considering being the eigenvalues. So let if one is given, then the other will be being given one. So then the other will be, so now determinant of A will be very easy to find out now. We have already conveyed. Okay, so we have to find out the other eigenvalue. For this, what we'll use, we will be using characteristics polynomial. So here determinant A minus is 0. So being 0, so we'll calculate the determinant. Now we have to remember here that this is a root, correct? So now since we are given this, we will substitute this being 1, then it will be our calculation will be more easier. So let's substitute it and find out. So substituting A minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. A minus 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. So A minus 2 of 2A4. So A is 2. Okay. So now we will find determinant with A being 2. So A 2, 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 2. So that means 4. So my correct option will be option 4. That is option C. So my correct answer is 4. Best of luck, students.